everyone, this is Peak Entertainment and we are back again, and here now we have another drawing video for you, and this edition we will concentrate on Supergirl. Now I'm pretty sure you all know who this character is, but just in case there's anybody watching this video who doesn't know who Supergirl is, she is of course the famous cousin of Superman. She goes by the original alias of Kara Zor-El, and like Superman, her origin story is that she's sent away from her planet when it's on the verge of destruction. She was intentionally meant to look after Superman, who would have been in a younger state when he was sent away from the planet Krypton, but unfortunately her spaceship got veered off course during an asteroid field, and as a result she landed on planet Earth a lot later than Superman did. So by the time she arrives, Superman is already an adult and established as the world's protector. So when Kara grows up and she builds a relationship with Superman, aka Clark Kent, she soon realises how important he is to society. She looks up to him as an example, and she uses that inspiration to herself take on the mantle, including Clark's costume, and become the Earth's protector as well, and be known as Supergirl. And she takes on the alias, of course, as Kara Danvers to exist amongst the Earth's population. She generally has the same powers and abilities as Superman in terms of the heat vision and the ice breath and the super strength, and most iterations of the character generally have her at least 3/4 as powerful as Superman. I'd say she's probably on the second tier in terms of the status of the DC heroes, but over the years she's quite had a fair and sound representation in terms of mainstream media. If we of course look firstly at the 1984 live action superhero film with the same title, starring Helen Slater in the lead role, despite the fact it wasn't a very good film at the time, but Helen Slater looked very good and was a very good interpretation of the character in live action. We then go forward later to the animated versions, both in Superman the Animated Series and Justice League Unlimited, where Supergirl made various recurring appearances. We then go further to Smallville, and in 2007, in its 7th season, when the character was played by Canadian actress Laura Vandervoort. And then we move on later on in 2015, which has probably been the most successful representation of the character in terms of live action in the CW superhero series that began its first season on the CBS network before transferring later on to the CW, where it's enjoyed a very long run in 5 seasons with actress Melissa Benoist in the role, and it will conclude the series in its 6th and final season in 2021. So when it comes to drawing Supergirl, she's a very easy and simple character overall in terms of her look. She of course has the same costume as Superman in terms of the emblem and the colours and the skirt as well, so nothing too complex or complicated about her overall design. In terms of her physique and figure, she has that lean athletic look, so again, when it comes to drawing her, practice on your female postures and gestures, and she's not a curvaceous or overly voluptuous character, but again, focus on her strength and her femininity when concentrating on your poses. And when you come to draw these gestures, concentrate on many flying poses or leaping or jumping poses. Try to draw her when she's leaping in the air or jumping in the air or flying through the sky to give that more energy about the character, and also learn to draw characters with capes, because the cape is very crucial when it comes to Supergirl in really showcasing how far she can fly or how fast she can soar in the air. It really focuses well on giving it dynamic energy when drawing the character. So again, use lots of reference points and previous drawings by certain artists as well. So you can see here a couple examples on the screen where I use the poses and I'm drawing the cape, and you can also use action lines again to emphasize the energy or the force or the direction that she's flying at when she's using her cape as well. So as usual with these videos, you will see now a couple of examples of gestures and poses and short sketches that I use. This is my normal process that I go through before drawing the character within the main piece. And again, you will see the examples on the screen. They don't need to be perfect, they don't need to be even complete. They can be drawn in pencil or pen or whatever other utensils you want to use, but it's just quick, broad, rough sketches just to get a familiar feel within the character. So this will help you when you come to draw the main piece, and hopefully by doing this lead up work, you can draw the main piece first time without having to erase a lot or redraw the sketches in the long run. So that's it for now, really. That's the complete and explanation of how to draw Supergirl. If you are a fan of DC and you like to see me draw other characters and you like my art style, then let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will add it to the ongoing list of characters that I've got lined up to draw in the future. You can also check out my Instagram and DeviantArt art profiles, where you can see a lot more of my artwork as well. So going forward, the next upcoming pictures that we will see shortly within this series include Wolverine, Sentry, Spawn, and Kenshiro from Fist of the North Star. So those are the next 4 drawings that we will see up and coming soon within this channel. But of course, if you have any further suggestions of characters you'd like to see me draw, then just let me know on my comments or my social media as well. So here now you will see a time-lapse video where I provide the pencils and inks of this drawing, and then shortly after I will provide the colours for this in a separate video as well. So that's it for now. Take care of yourselves. Please like and subscribe and help me to continue to grow this channel in the long run and provide you with more high quality content in the future, as well as more drawings within this channel. So that's it for now. Take care of yourselves, stay at safe distances, and enjoy my drawing of Supergirl.
JDans Productions. JDans Production.